All right. Welcome everybody. Welcome to the severe weather's coverage. Where we are tracking some storms that are moving into Oklahoma. We want to start out with these storms. These storms right here. We first off we got this severe thunderstorm warning that's considerable has just expired. We have a recent brand new severe thunderstorm warning that's considerable that is could be produced of a tornado that could be possible indicated right now in Osage County. So this is for this area. At least almost 10,000 people will be in effect, including Pawhuska, Barnesdale, Shiders, and Birdsbank, Webb City, Oklahoma, and Grenora. So those, I believe, six of these cities would be affected, and 16. So right now there is no tornado warning at this moment, but we're tracking a cell right here that could be produced of a tornado that could be possibly just occurring any moment right now. So we want to get into that. But for right now, they haven't called it a severe thunderstorm watch or a tornado watch at this moment, but we're tracking this cell right here. So let's look at that cell. That might be a possible of a tornado that could be spinning out. So let's go look at the velocity. So look at that rotation right here. So that is definitely the rotation. So let's play that right now. Ooh, you can see that little bit of that line that is moving. So this right here used to be a plain in severe thunderstorm warning. Now it's been a considerable severe thunderstorm warning because maybe those lines are those winds could be possibly moving shortly. So we just now have that severe thunderstorm warning is going to be expired, and well, as long as this one right here. So we have this severe thunderstorm that we're tracking that could be of a possible of a tornado that could be issued for it could head towards Pawhuska or Bartersville. So let's go ahead and look at that live image. So this is a live image of the Pawhuska right now. So this is what looks like right now. This sky cam right now. So that is the city Pawhuska, home of the pioneer woman. So so that might be clouds that is moving towards Pawhuska at this moment. Let's check the Bartersville sky. That is what the Bartersville looks like. It is raining right now. Actually, it's getting ready to move in. Storms are now getting ready to move because we got rain that is moving in at this moment. So that it is to say right here. So right now we're just tracking this this cell right here that is moving. So that is that cell right here. Look, that might be that possible of that tornado that is looking at. So let's see if I can. There we go. That's what I was wanting. So pretty strong storm storms. It's at 7 and very moving very fast right now for those, and then this does have a potential of a hail could be uh that could be possibly could be occurring at this moment. So we also had this cell right here. See what this is. So this could be the hail, more hail in that area of that cell. So right now, and then also we were tracking this cell right here that is just on the border. Kansas just moving, get ready to move into Oklahoma. Oklahoma, that's very a little bit strong, and probably hail not as severe as that one that I was pointing out to you. So that so we can just look at that as well and just see what that's going to be doing in the at that time. So we're just coming on the air. I mean, right now I want to see what the what does the see what time when the severe weather is supposed to hit. I'm gonna refresh this. It's supposed to begin at 2 p.m., which is 2 p.m. right now, ending at 5 a.m. On Sunday morning. It says, I'm going to read this out to you. Severe weather risk peaks beginning Thursday at 2 p.m. through Sunday 5 a.m. Exposing storms energy in place capable of intense supercells. Strong winds shear will help storms organize and pre-as supercells possible. Multiple tornadoes ingredients are strongly overlapping. Significant tornado risk. Stay weather aware and be ready to shelter during the storm window. So that being said, this is the beginning of it. So we got this cell to watch. That is that could be of a possible of a tornado. Now why? Because look at that velocity. Look at that cell. I'm gonna play that rotation, so you can see that is a little bit of that rotation. See if I can play on a different. Oh yeah, so that is a possible of a tornado because there's that hook right here, and so far there's not any storm chasers are out, and then we got these two cameras that are that is getting ready to move in. So that is going to be moving in. We're going to go back to this radar image. So right now it's still showing a considerable severe thunderstorm warning. It is going to be heading to Pawhuska, likely to Bartersville. We also got some cells that are popping up in a Tulsa area in John Zink Ranch area as well, and then we'll also have these lines of storms that are occurring right now at that time. So with that being said, intensity score is at 63, so it is really starting to starting to climb. So it is at 64, and it's supposed to climb up to 60. Like in the next 30 minutes, it's supposed to be increased right now. So we're at we have 7 severe thunderstorm warnings, no flash flood warnings, and no tornado warnings at this time. And then it says storms will standing by until we're looking at 5 o'clock. That is supposed to be should be like moving out at that time, but I could be wrong. So yeah, only for today and tonight. Tonight is supposed to be calm and slowly. So we're looking at about a 3-hour event at this time. Also, we want to look at these cells. So we also have these cells right here. That is a possible of a tornado that could be forming. And then we're looking at Illinois with that. That's also going to be that should be it expiring. But right now, I'm a little bit concerned about. I'm a little bit. My main concern is this one, right here. Tulsa is not supposed to get tornadoes, so we are like really out of it, out of the line. And then we also have, I think pretty much this storm moves out, everything be calm after 5 o'clock. I'll be right back. It's about 36 more minutes to that severe thunderstorm warning that's considered will be expired. After today, it's gonna be all sunny, and then no more severe weather for right now for Oklahoma. Not sure about the rest. There are 2 more minutes to that severe thunderstorm warnings to be expired. We have 7 severe thunderstorm warnings are active, including Oklahoma. So We're also tracking these activities. See what that's all about. Play the image on that. Expires 2 hours. So not so much. Boy, after today, I'm telling you, it won't be. This is probably the last day of severe weather for a while, because we're gonna have hotter temperatures right now. After this, I want to show you something. This really amazed me. This is what it feels like right now. 95.5 degrees, and it's 84 degrees outside. And because it's so humid, which is 79%, really, really insane. So we're now down to 6 severe thunderstorm warnings. And we got that one in Wyoming and Oklahoma that are possible of producing a tornado, which is this guy right here. Right now, I'm worried about this one. And it's just shifting towards Russia. We may not. I tell you what, South Bixby and Broken Arrow and Jinx and Glenpool are not going to have, very likely not having a tornado. We're still in the green, but the greater chances is in Collinville and Skytug. Can't believe it's going to be really hot the next few days. Ooh, triple digits for our grandmother. Alright, got a storm chaser. Let's check out that Pahuska. They moved this. Let's look at those clouds. They actually moved that camera a little bit. See what Barnesville's camera looks like. Yeah, I'm not seeing that much. Still seeing that rotation. All right, good news. We got some that severe thunderstorm warning that has been downgraded to a regular, and that it's no longer producing a tornado well. The good news is this is no longer a threat of producing a tornado. So that's really good news. Has been downgraded and weakening. That's what it means. So that's really good news. So 18 more minutes until that severe thunderstorm warning to be expired. You know, anything happens, I'll keep you all advised.